Oh, I'm at this place. It's a Rainforest Cafe. I actually found one here in this mall. Yeah, in this mall. They used to have a gorilla here. Now it's a elephant. I mean, it's okay, but here's the crocodile. Look at that. I have never been in here for 2 years since I came here. Look at that. Alligator. Wow, man, that thing is freaking creepy. Look at that. Look at that. Also, I can get a zoom in of the gorilla inside, but I can't go inside because you have to like eat there or something. Yeah, ew. That's kind of sucks. Yep, it does. Here it is, guys. The gorilla's inside. Yeah, he's out. Oh, there he goes. I think he's moving. I don't know if you can get a good view of him because he's kind of right there. He's right there next to the people. Yep, he's right there. The gorilla. It's kind of blurry. I don't know if you could see him. He should be... Oh, there he is. He's right there. Here's a gorilla. Yep. At least I can get a view of the gorilla from here since he's not outside. Yeah, here he is. He's right there. He's just chilling. He's just chilling. Look at him. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, here's the gorilla. Yeah, he's right there. Yeah. He's cool. That guy is so cool. He's just staring at people like anybody. Alright, I'll get back to him when it's overtime. Alright, guys. Here's another gorilla. I think that's the same one, isn't it? Yep, it's the same one, but... Oh, here's that other one, the crunching one. I believe at South Coast Plaza they had something like that. Now they put him in here. Yep, they're two gorillas. Yep, they're the gorillas. Look at that. King Kong. I don't know if it's King Kong, but... I keep hearing elephants. Yeah. Yeah, here he is. Here he is. Oh, he's moving. He's moving. He's moving. Let's see. Look at that gorilla right there, just next to the one he's on the benches. There's a fire alarm next to the gorilla. Yeah. Yep, that's cool. That's cool. Oh, he was moving. He just moved. I saw him moved. I saw him moved. Look at that crunching one down there. Look at the other side of him. It's cool. That's awesome. This one is called Tracy the Tree. Yeah, this is awesome. He's kind of, I don't know, but she's just creepy. Look at that thing. Is there a button? It's all rubbery. Look at that. Whoa. That thing is, wow. I kind of like the gorilla and the crocodile. He's cool. Alright, let's go to the crocodile. I think the gorilla's name is Bamba. I think that's his name. Bamba the gorilla. I don't know if that was Bamba over there, but it's just still a gorilla. Look at that. Look at this. Look how they do that on the props. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the fog on him. You can't even see him. Oh, he's right there. Oh, let's get him. Oh, he's about. Oh, wow. Wow. I actually like this. I wonder how old these guys are. Wow, man. Just wow. Look at that. Look at this. Wow, let's see him do that again. Wow, man. Oh, he just climbed. Wow, this thing is so cool. I like it. Here's a crocodile. Let's see. He's gonna do it. I don't know. Let's see him do it again. see. There we go. Swipe that out. Look at that. Look at the coins there. That's awesome. Let's see him. Let's see him climbing. Whoa, man! Wow. Oh, it's, whoa, whoa. Look how old he is. Let's see. Got it. Get him.
Get back out. He saw us.
Yeah. This is awesome. Oh, I forgot. There's a snake right up there. Look at that. I don't even know how that got up there, but it's really cool. It's the elephant. Look at that. Look at the elephant. Yeah, it's okay. Oh, there he goes. Oh, wow. Let's look at that. That thing is good. What they did on him is so awesome. I love it. Wow, man, that's awesome. Let's get a view at the gorilla one more time, and then we'll end the, then we'll go back to the crocodile and end the video. Because I like both of them. They're really awesome. Look at that. They're right there. Oh, he's looking at me. Oh, what's up, gorilla? What's up? This thing is so awesome. Look at that, man. Look at that. Wow, man. You can see some people walk by, walking the gorilla. They're walking the gorilla. I want to see him, not you guys. Let's see. Okay, one's just crouching there. Can't hear what they're saying because he's far away from the restaurant. Yeah. Oh, he moved. He moved. He actually moved. He actually moved. He moved, guys. That thing just moved. That one's just... Wow. I don't even know what to do. Look at that. Look at the gorilla. The gorilla is so awesome. I love that thing. Yeah, I mean, I want to see him like in the front, not inside the restaurant. Alright, let's go back to the crocodile and then we'll end the video, guys. Oh, let's get back. That. Let's see what he does. I think he's gonna jump. But I want him to jump. That's the best part. Oh. Oh, he's about to get ready. Look at that. The water's there. The elephant's there also. Oh, there he goes. There's the elephant. Look at that thing. Look at the smoke coming out of that thing. Subscribe if you like the gorilla. Subscribe if you like the crocodile, the elephant, or the snake. Alright guys, see you next time. Bye. Subscribe. Alright guys, see you next time. Comment. Bye. So yeah. Alright, subscribe guys, bye.